Hello, I'm Miss Audra, and today we're going to walk through the garden. So I want you to start thinking about all the sounds you might hear walking through a garden. You could hear the little buzz of a honeybee. You could hear just the sound of the wind blowing through some leaves, crickets, a little frog croaking. You could hear all kinds of sounds in the garden. Some birds singing, just the crunch of walking through the grass. So think on that while we take our cleansing breath together. Let's take a big breath in and hold. And I'm going to blow mine out today like leaves. And let's breathe in together. And hold and blow out any way you want. Nice job. Think about all the different sounds, and don't forget we're going to make a movement. You can even use the tips of your fingers. If you're a little bumblebee, you can move your whole body. Maybe you're a butterfly today, and you're just making the sound of the wind going through your wings. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make my sound. 2, I'm going to make a little cricket. And on the count of 3, we're going to pause. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Wow, I really felt like I was in the garden today with you all. So as we say goodbye, let's take a big breath together and just balance our bodies. Here we go. And blow out any way you want. Nice job. See you next time.
Thank you for joining us. If you want more fun ways to practice literacy skills, don't forget to subscribe to the Michigan Learning Channel. And be sure to check the description below for links to activity guides, resources, and more.